That might be
The Soapbox Derby was built in 1955. And I raced that year on North Street. And then in 1956, the races were on Stimson Street. And I won the Schwinn Bicycle in 1956 with the Soapbox Derby.
I don't know if it was on or not. Might have been.
This is a 1965 GTO convertible, 389 tri-power, 4-speed car. Purchased this car about 20 years ago in Kalkaska, and it's a frame-off restoration. And we just enjoy driving it, and we've been on the Back of the Bricks tour, loving it, having a great time. A little rain this year. There's been a lot of fun so far, and we hope to continue the fun going on to the other cities as well. Everyone has been so hospitable around. It's just fabulous.
Mm-hmm. What is the significance of the Tigers?
Well, the Pontiac used to use the Tiger as the GTO Tiger for Jim Wangler, who was one of the beginning founders of the GTO, and he raced GTO, and it was painted as a Tiger, and it was called the GTO Tiger. And then they started doing that little tail out of the tank, where they would always say, "Put a Tiger in your tank." And then the Uniroyal with the Tiger Paw tires came out, and I guess that's where the Tiger came from.